Hi, I'm Tad from Phoenix Contact and welcome to another edition of Efficiency TV, where today we're going to be talking about the Crimpfox Duo 16S. With a crimping range of 0.14mm up to 16mm square insulated or in uninsulated ferrules, twin ferrules up to 6mm square, you can be sure that the Duo 16S gets the job done without the need for a second set of crimpers. This is the Duo 10 and this is the 16. As you can see, it's pretty much the same profile, it's the size and weight of the Duo 10. So it's not bigger, it's not heavier. It has been designed to be smaller and have a lower grip span, which allows for the optimal manual force to be applied. Looking for reliability and ease of use with the Duo 16S, there is no need for any manual adjustments thanks to its pressure lock system and adjusting die, meaning the Duo 16S is consistent with every single crimp. And finally, it's packed with good ideas, from the rotating jaw here at the front, making lives easier at the panel, so we can crimp this way, or at the bench, we can crimp that way. Or even this small section of material on the back of the handle to help grip the surface when applying pressure. So for example, like that, so it doesn't slide about quite so easily. Well, there you have it, the Crimpfox Duo 16S from Phoenix Contact. Join us again for another edition of Efficiency TV, coming soon. Bye for now.